In a world riddled with the harmful effects of unresolved conflicts, it's always good to see glimmers of hope like this. Thanks to the work of the European Union's Poverty Reduction Program, PRP, scenes like these are becoming more popular across the island. PRP, which has been operating in Jamaica since 2001, aims to promote economic well-being and enhance the quality of life for residents in volatile communities. Implemented by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JSIF, the Poverty Reduction Program, now in its third phase, has provided life skills training in dispute resolution, sexuality management, vocational skills training, on-the-job placement, and remedial reading and literacy classes.
The idea behind the program is to, as far as is possible, help to grow and develop persons in selected communities, to help empower those persons to take better control of their situations, move them out of the state of poverty.
Funding for the various projects is provided by a component of PRP called Grants of Low Amounts, GOLA. GOLA awards a maximum of €10,000 to community-focused groups. Assistance is also given by the Jamaican government. One of the many groups that have benefited from the PRP is the Family and Parenting Center in St. James. The center, which offers therapy to troubled children and positive parenting workshops, was able to further extend its services to the community. Most of the youth who entered the program had anger management issues.
I could not walk away from conflict. I was a very aggressive person, and I also get involved in fights. I took part in self-esteem building, also control anger, like walk away, and also control my anger problems.
Before he came here, he have a little anger problem. It would eventually get me upset, right? And as a parent, you would want to do things like hit him or so on, stuff like that.
Well, I was not concentrating well, and I was easily to get upset because I was having anger problem. I learned about myself and how to treat myself, plus stay away from conflict and how to treat others.
I want to say thanks to the Poverty Reduction Program. It is very helpful to my child, and it also can be beneficial to others in a community, students and so forth. And I believe that they should be more established, and so other children can come and take advantage of what they have to offer. And so they too can be good men and women of tomorrow.
This is one of the best things that could ever happen for people in like volatile communities. This program should go through all the communities in Jamaica, because if we are going towards Vision 2030, these are some of the things that we need to do to prepare our people.
Over in Kingston, through Hope Worldwide Jamaica, PRP Phase 3 has also spread some good cheer to residents of Fletcher's Land and surrounding communities.
We received a grant of €10,000, and the main aim of the project was to do employability and skills training, so the various skills training, such as PC maintenance, computer application, customer service, that would allow the youth to be more marketable.
Camille, McIntosh and Jamil Smith are just two of the many participants of the program whose lives have changed dramatically. Rewind to last year, and they were both at a standstill, waiting for an opportunity to burst free and excel. Fast forward to today, and they're doing just that, thanks to the JSIF implemented PRP3. For Camille, the program has allowed her to fulfill her lifelong dream of being a cosmetologist.
Right now, the Heart of Beauty College, which I'm now attending, it has helped me a lot because I am now doing my home care service, which I go to person's home and I will go ahead and do the hair for persons who think it's difficult going to the salon, especially on Sundays. Being in the program, it has helped me a lot to elevate my education, and not only elevating my education, or to become more of a professional and being a woman.
And for Jamil, it has pushed him one step further to becoming an IT expert.
I participated in the life skills, PC maintenance and support, and the customer service. In the computing maintenance and support, I actually have a 1 in CXC, so I got a gradual strength on that, because change is gradual for the person. So I got more strength in the computing field, practically, mentally, and I even went on apprenticeship at Net Services due to the fact that I was in this program.
I am very, very grateful, honestly, because being at home, don't have a job, you have to sit down and depend on people, it's not nice. And not only that, I like cosmetology as well, and I always want to go aboard and do cosmetology. And since PRP come on board, they have helped me.
I'm very elated at the fact that the PRP came on board with the Overwide Jamaica staff and gave them such a great grant that helped me.
Already over 8,000 persons have been directly assisted by the Poverty Reduction Program 3. For more information on the work of the PRP, call the Jamaica Social Investment Fund at 968-4545 or send an email to feedback@jsafe.org or visit their website, jsafe.org. Remember to like their Facebook page. The Jamaica Social Investment Fund, investing for community development.